guys, Alex here, and today I have a new project for you. There's lots of kids in the States, and I have lots of friends. We like to do tricks on our bikes, and there's many fast drivers. So I thought to make this project that it's like a police car light where it goes red and blue, and I had an idea that I'd put the light somewhere, and if there's a fast driver, they would see it and they would slow down so we can play safer with my friends. And I got this police car light from IC Station, and it had $2. So now I'm going to show you the parts. So now I'm going to tell you the parts and the tools that we're going to use. So these are the diodes, these are the capacitors, this is the PCB, these two are the lights, this is the pot, these two are the transistors, this is a chip, this is a 555, these are the resistors, and we're using the 555 chip as a timer, and it wasn't that expensive. This is a screwdriver, this is a wire cutter, this is a multimeter, this is a soldering paste, this is a soldering, and this is soldering iron. So those are the tools and the parts that we're going to be using. So now I finished all of the soldering, and there was these two spare lights, and I'm going to connect this to this little power supply, and hopefully it works, and I'm also going to give it 9 volts. It works! So I'm going to test it at night, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!